So you have to actually in a Java there are so many things, these rules. You have to remember all these rules, that what we can do, what we cannot do. And step by step you have to fulfill your main object oriented programming concept one by one. Like here constructor overloading, you have already fulfilled the concept of polymorphism. Similarly, whenever you will go for the methods, then you will see that method overloading will be there. So if we go for the another file where we will write some of the methods. Okay. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, I am stopping one time. Sorry, stop sharing. Okay, so okay, have you not written, all of you, your roll number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whoever not written, write it. Okay, so that I will take it, as because I have to submit the attendance. If you have not written, write it. Huh? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write in the message window. Okay. Okay. New Java file I am creating. Suppose rectangle. So I will go to create. Okay. First of all, I am writing some of the constructor, right? So rectangle. So this is the no argument constructor. I am writing length equal to 0. 10 by 10. Okay. And if you write the public static void main within this same, you can write it. So here also you can write creating the object rectangle r1 equal to new rectangle. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this one is a class. So the class is a rectangle. The instance variable is two instance variable. One is int length, int length and int breadth. Another is the double area, which will actually store the area. This is a constructor, as because their name is same, there is no return type. So this is a rectangle where it will be initialized by their one default values 10 and 10. Another constructor is there where it will take some of the values. So this is the parameterized constructor. It will initialize the variables by x and y. This is another method. This is the method which will calculate the area. So using the instance variable length and breadth. So whenever you will write, you check it that this length and breadth are the instance variables and you are initializing the area. So these three are all instance variables. Is it? Next, another method is there. This is the display method which will actually print the calculated area. Any problem? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now you run it. So area will be 100. Obviously 10 into 10 100. Now if you can create another object where obviously the name should be different. So this way with you are sending some of the values. So constructor is given, so 10 by 20 you can send it, compile it and run it. So obviously it will give you the 200. Now in the same way, whenever there are so many same methods will be there apart from this constructor, you can put it within a method also. So if there are two or three same methods, suppose I am writing the cal area, this is the method na, cal area square, scale area square. So obviously it will be length into length for I have written. Okay, I am writing, I am changing it in different way. X. So you put it. Okay. Sorry. Scale area. Okay, I have to change the this one. Na? Here I have to eliminate this one. That's because the this two constructor I am eliminating. That's because otherwise I cannot do it. Hmm? Okay. So the name should be same, but the functionality will be different. So suppose I am putting one variable int length, then we are calculating the square of that. Okay, and here you put it this one area of square equal to this one. Okay. Okay. Next is scale area. You can put it int length comma int length. Here you can put it breadth. Okay. Wait. Okay, so I am writing this one, which will calculate the area of circle. Huh? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is the area of rectangle. The rectangle, circle. Okay. This is not required again. You can also write this one. Huh? Whenever you will write it, you have to write in a different method. So you have to return it. So here I am writing in this way. Okay. So rectangle R1, R1, this. Okay. So first of all, whenever you are calling the cal area with some of the values. So cal area and put some, suppose, so 10. Okay, 100. And you can call the same method with some different values, parameter values. So if we put 10 comma 20, then it will call the another one. And if you call suppose 10 comma, also basically you put it 5 comma and one string, you have to differentiate why this string is given. So to differentiate whether otherwise how can you differentiate. So I have put it one string. Okay. So run it. So if you run, so you can see that area of the square. So when there are only one parameter is sending, then it will automatically call that method where only one parameter will be taken. So this is the method for the calculating the area of the square. Then there, when there are two values are sending, then it will calculate the area of the rectangle. And whenever we are sending one values with one integer values and one string values, then it will calculate the area of the circle. So this is the process of what method overloading. So there are same method name cal area. Okay, so whenever there are one or more than one method with the same name is available, and you are calling one of the method with the sum of the parameter values, then it will automatically search for the appropriate method and it will call it. So okay, so these are all the this process is called the what this is a method overloading, and this is another name is there, this is called the compile time polymorphism. Okay, this is called the compile time. Another thing is there, this is there, it will say that runtime polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism you will get it whenever you will do the overriding method, but right now this is the overloading. So and obviously the inheritance you have not learned right till now. So this is the process is compile time polymorphism, that before at the time of compiling. Okay, so at the time of compiling it will search the appropriate method, that which will method will be appropriate for that, and accordingly it will calculate or call the methods. Okay, similarly for the constructor also this is called the compile time polymorphism, as because at the time of compiling it will search for that. And if it is not available, suppose I am calling one method or the this one I am sending another like this one. So this one, and though in your in any books you will not find probably that the constructor or the method overloading, whenever do it, it said that the method must be different with the number of arguments, like this number one, here number one, here is the number two arguments, and type of arguments you will find it. But another thing is there, that the order that you have, if you have suppose three, both are three, here 10, 20 and 30 I can put it, here also I can put it, but the order, it must be same. That if you put the here, if this is the two arguments, huh? 5, this is the integer and the string. Now you can, if you call it with a string and integer, then it will not appropriate. Okay, as because this will not find the appropriate method, and it will invoke some of the error. So that the order must be same, that whether if it is written in the int then string, or string then int, so you have to maintain this one. Okay, clear. And
Yes, sir.
okay, uh, actually what I am telling, forget it. Okay. So up to this is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, right. Okay. So is there any confusion? No.
No, sir.
Okay. So actually, this, how can I give you? How can I give you?